video is going to be a back to school fashion video. We're so excited. Some of these outfits are so cute. Yes, I feel like they're super stylized this year. Like I'm actually coming into my fashion and becoming a woman.
It's the senior in us now.
Yes, it's the senior. Because we are seniors this year, which is crazy.
Insane.
But before we go on to the video, we have some exciting news. In case you guys didn't know, we released merch! If you guys don't know this already, Bailey and I created a merchandise line. And we have tons of, they're so cute, amazing stuff on there.
Cute,
so y'all should check it out. Go
check it out.
Buy yourself some brand new school outfits or school supplies. So you guys can click the information button right here, and that will take you to a link to our website where you can find and purchase tour tickets and also purchase any merch items you guys want, which should be all of them because they're so cute.
They are.
We are going on tour to 16 different cities. We're singing 5 songs, 3 of which are our original songs and 2 of which are brand new covers that we have sung that y'all have not heard. So buy those tickets and buy the merchandise because we're so excited to have put it out there and we want to see all of y'all wearing it and using it. So click the link in the description box below or the information button right up there. Now let's get on to the official
show some cute clothes
video.
My first outfit is really unique and fashion forward, and I actually adore it because it channels a bunch of different styles that I like to wear. So the first item in this outfit are gold metallic sneakers that are from Steve Madden. They're really comfortable and stylish, and they match almost anything, so you guys can wear them with any outfit that you want to. And then on top, I have a corset and a tunic. These came as a set from Topshop, but you don't have to wear them as a set. And this corset is super cute and fashion forward, which I love this trend. And then underneath the tunic, I have some black shorts from American Eagle. Y'all can put whatever shorts you want underneath. And then I also added some silver jewelry from H&M just to add a little bit more style and girly feel. And then on top, I have your classic Kendra Scott necklace and a little bit of a choker to give it more of a little spice in there. And then on top, I have our BB merch hat, which is the porcupine white hat, which I love and adore. It gives it a little bit more of a grungy feel. And that completes outfit number 1. Hey guys, it's Bailey, and this is my first outfit for this video, and I'm super excited about it. So to start off, I have my blush lace ballet flats, which are actually from Target, and you guys, guess what? Ballet flats are coming back in style, so if you haven't checked these out, go check them out from Target, along with my skinny jeans, which are green, and those are from Zara, and guys, I'm telling you, Zara is like my favorite store ever. I can't walk into that store and not buy something. So not only did I get these jeans, but I also got this tulle embroidered blouse from Zara, and literally I saw it and like freaked out. It's so cute. Along with that, I just put a simple black cami underneath just to make sure that everything is covered and modest. And then along with that, I have my gold jewelry, which this ring is from Madewell, and then the necklace is from my mom's closet, which is so typical of me to steal my mom's jewelry, and then I probably forgot to give it back and she probably got mad. That's pretty much the story of this necklace. And then along with the necklace, to match it all and wrap it all together, I have these gold hoop earrings from H&M, and they have great jewelry, so if you guys ever want good jewelry, go to H&M. And that's my first outfit. For my second outfit for y'all, I'm kind of channeling my inner rocker. So the first item in this rocker outfit are my shoes, which are high-top floral Vans that I paired with the BB black logo socks, just to kind of give an edgier feel. And then on top, I've got a black corduroy overall dress from Forever 21 that I have put over my black Spunk Funk and Love BB merch shirt that y'all can get at brooklynandbailey.com as well. Super comfortable, and you can wear it with anything. On top, I've got some accessories. I have a hoop heart silver earring that is from H&M, along with a hat from H&M as well that is just a bowler hat to give it a little bit more of a rocker edgy vibe. Hello again, guys. Here I am casually walking down a bridge. Hello, hello. I think it's time for my outfit number 2. So let's get started. Okay, first things first, shoes. These are from Nordstrom, and they're actually Steve Madden shoes, and they're so comfortable. I would highly recommend in case you're just, they're great. In case you just want comfy shoes, those are the ones to go to. Along with that, I have these adorable American Eagle jeans that we actually DIY'd the fringe on, so maybe a video coming for that. And then, of course, my top is from Zara because that's my favorite store ever. And then along with that, do you guys see the bracelet that I'm wearing? Yes, that bracelet is actually a choker from our merch collection. If you haven't checked that out, you should definitely do that by going to brooklynandbaileyshop.com. Go check out our merch. It's actually awesome stuff, y'all. And that is all I have for this outfit. Peace out, peeps. Alright guys, I'm back again for outfit number 3, and guess what? I actually had to do a dress this time. So I got this adorable blue dress from Zara, which nobody should be surprised about that. And then I also got these cute flats from Target, and when I wear them, I get so many compliments, you guys, and they're super comfortable, so bonus! This yellow belt is actually, again, from my mom's closet, and it's probably something that I also forgot to return. Sorry, Mom! Next up is my choker, and guess where this is from? That's right, Brooklyn & Bailey merch line. If you guys haven't checked that out, I promise this stuff is great. You guys should definitely go check it out. Along with my choker, I also have these earrings for my jewelry, and these are from H&M. H&M has great jewelry, just in case you're wondering. And now I'm holding one of our very own wallets and lanyards from Brooklyn & Bailey merch. I don't know how many times I have to tell you guys this, but I promise you guys will love the merch, so definitely go check that out. Along with that, I have this super cute jacket from Zara, which I fell in love with the second I saw it, along with my gold rings, which we found from Madewell. And that's all for my outfit number 3. So my last outfit for y'all is my girl power outfit. When I wore this outfit, my mom actually said, wow, you look like fierce girl power all over. So that's what this outfit is. It's my girl power outfit. And the first items are my boots, which are from Zara. They have some gold little metallic studs around them, and they come to a slight point, so they're super styled and really cute. And I've matched them with some ripped up black jeans that I bought from American Eagle. They are a little high-waisted, so they fit really well. And then on top we have our maroon BB merch collection t-shirt, which I love. It's super stretchy and super comfortable. And then on top I have a little black choker, which is from the BB collection as well. Y'all can get at brooklynandbailey.com both of these items. And then on top in my hair, I have a little hair metallic band, which is from H&M. It's kind of just an extra accessory that I love. And then last but not least, I have a black leather jacket, which y'all can get any jacket to go with this, but this one I actually stole from my mom's closet. So you guys can just look at it and admire.
Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, you should click the red button down below that says subscribe. It's giant and red, really hard to miss. Click that button right now. If you guys want to buy more awesome merch of ours, like these amazing merch hats that we have on, click the box right up here. You can also buy tour tickets while you're there, so definitely check all of those out. We're going to 16 cities, so we're definitely going to be near you. And also, if you want to watch more of our videos, click the box right below that one. Thank you guys all so much. See you next week. Bye. Love you all.